Hey guys, so today I'm super excited because we're going to be going over the new Be Wild Undated planner, and I'm just going to do a quick flip through video, show you everything that's included and how it works, and just do kind of a quick little tutorial. So let's go ahead and just jump right in and get started. So we do have two versions of this planner. Today's video is going to be about the coiled version, which has this coil going down the middle of it. We also have a minimalist version, which I'll show you right here, that you can see does not have the coil anywhere on the page. So that one kind of maximizes this space, whereas the coiled version looks a little bit more realistic. So the planners are very similar. The layouts are almost the same, just slightly different to accommodate the coil. And you get pretty much the exact same thing with both planners. So it's really just a personal preference on what kind of style you prefer. So this planner comes with 5 different covers. You can see here in the front. So to set the cover for GoodNotes, you just choose which cover you like, and then you'll set that as your first page, and that will make the cover when you're on your main screen, whichever page you choose. So you can do that by just clicking the little squares over in the left-hand side and just dragging and dropping your page to the front, and then that changes the cover. So that's how you do that. I'm just going to go ahead and change it back real quick. And then once you get past the covers, you'll see the index page. The index page has quick links to everything that you need and everything that's included in the planner. So if you're looking for something, this is the easiest place to find it. So I'm going to go down this list here and show you everything that's included, and then we'll go back through and I can show you a few tips on how to use the planner and how everything works. So the first thing that's included is your yearly calendars. You have 3 yearly calendars in this planner. You have the 2020, you have the 2021, and then you also have the blank calendar that you can fill out. So if you want to continue using this calendar year after year, you can. Then you also have all of your monthly spreads. They look just like this. From your monthly pages, you also have links to your weekly pages and your daily pages. These are blank intentionally because you have templates that you can put into those pages, and I'll show you how those work in just a few moments. So then you also have 10 section dividers. You can see the tabs for those over on the left hand side, and then your tabs for your monthly pages are over on the right hand side. So then this planner includes 22 different template pages, and you can rearrange them and use them however you want. So this is kind of like a build your own planner. You can pick which pages you want to use, where you want them to be placed, things like that. So let's go through all the different inserts. So the first one is just a blank monthly calendar. This is if for some reason you didn't like the way we had it laid out, or the header or something like that, you can start with a blank one there. You also have the monthly overview page. Then you have 2 different daily page layouts. You have a single page layout, which has basically 1 day per page. So you have 2 on this spread right here. The other option is a double, which means you have per page, you have just 1 day. So you get this extra little notes section and gratitude log over on the right. And then you also have 3 weekly pages. You have a horizontal, a vertical, and an hourly spread. So I'll show you those. So this is the horizontal spread. This is the weekly spread. And this is the hourly spread. And both of our planners come with both a Monday and a Sunday start date, so you can pick which one you prefer. I'm currently looking at the Monday start date, but everything's the exact same in the Sunday start date other than everything starts on Sunday. So next we have the goal vision board. You can just kind of brainstorm your goals for the year. We have the action plan overview, where you can take those goals and you can kind of pick 10 to work on for the year. And then we also have the goal action plan page, which breaks down those goals even further into steps and notes and resources and how you're going to accomplish the goal. Then we have our project planner to keep track of your projects for the year. We have the habit tracker. We have a morning and an evening routine pages, meal planning pages, and a monthly budgeting page, and future plans, which is where you can just keep track of what's happening next year. So we just include the ones for 2021. But we will include future updates. So we'll have the 2022 spreads and 2023 spreads coming out each year. So you can insert these, add those into your planner later. And then we have our note-taking pages, which this is just the blank notes. We have the Cornell notes, the grid, dot grid or bullet journal. And you have two different versions, if you can tell. You have one that has kind of a box outline and covers the whole page. Then you also have one that doesn't have the box and has a space for a header, if you want to use that. And then this is the double-lined page. And that's it for the template pages that are included in this planner. Next, we have the digital stickers. So you have 6 different colors of these digital stickers that you can see right here that all coordinate with the planner. So you can see those. And then the last thing that's included in this planner, well, the second to last thing that's included in this planner is you also have an individual notebook. The notebook has its own navigation, and it has 12 tabs, and you can use the same note papers that were included in the templates, and you can keep track and organize your notes here. And then the last thing I want to show you is you also have 10 section dividers, which you kind of covered a little bit before, but you have these here where you can organize. This is where you would put these inserts like the project planner, routine planner, whatever. You can organize these however you want, and you can even add other inserts from other shops, or we have some extra inserts in our shop that you can use to expand your planner even further, to customize it to what you need. So that's it for what's included in the planner. So let's go ahead and talk about how the planner works. So the first thing I wanted to go over is the links. So the entire planner is hyperlinked, which means you can jump around the planner super quick and easy. All of the tabs on the sides are linked, and then you also have links for everything in the index. So the way it works is over here on the right hand side, this little 3-lined tab here is your index. So you can, anywhere you are on the planner, you can link back to your index, and you can easily get to whatever resource you need from there. These are also linked, so if you want to go to your 2021 calendar, you can, and then jump back. The 2020 calendar is also linked, meaning you can click on any of these dates and it will take you to that date in the planner. And then these little dots on the side will take you to the weekly spread for that week as well. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is in the notebook, you have your own individual links that are separate from the planner. So this works a little different. So these tabs will link to the inside the notebook. The home page will take you back to the planner index. So you can see you're now looking at your planner again. And this little 3-line tab will take you to the notebook index. So you can use this to keep track of which tabs are for what. And then the last thing I want to show you with the links is inside your monthly spread. These are linked as well. So underneath the header, you can see of week 1, week 2. These all go to that space in the planner. Same with the daily pages. You can quickly access them there. So that makes jumping around the planner, finding what you need super easy, especially when you have a huge planner like this. You don't have to scroll through looking for whatever page you're looking for. So then the next thing I wanted to go over is how to use the templates. So let's say I want to use the single daily page, or actually let's use the double daily page for today, which is May 29th. So what you would do is navigate to the template you want to use, we're going to be using GoodNotes for this tutorial, but you can do a similar thing in almost any planner. Our planners do come with a GoodNotes file where all of these inserts are already placed, but if you are using a different app, you will need to place the inserts yourself. So we've included both the insert file that you can add yourself and the GoodNotes file where we've already added those inserts for you. So you'll navigate to the insert that you want to use, and then you'll use your lasso tool and you'll select both. Just make sure your circle includes a little bit of both pages, and then tap inside the circle and hit copy. Then you'll navigate to wherever you wanted to put that template in your planner. So we're going to go to May, and we're going to go to 29. And then we have these little markers up at the top, just so that you can keep track of what page you're on and make sure you're on the right page when you're planning. But you don't actually need to use them. You can just quickly erase them if you don't want them there. So I use just the white pen to erase it once I'm ready to use it. And then you'll just tap and hold anywhere on the screen, hit paste, and then it'll be already sized for you, and you'll just align it on the page like so. Tap anywhere off of the insert and it will place it down for you, and then you have your template. So if you want to use, you can use different layouts however you want. This way it's really customizable, and that's the idea of this planner. Okay, now the next thing I want to show you is how you can duplicate a page. So let's say I'm inside my notebook and I'm just going to pick a random tab, and I want to add some pages here, and I want it to have these cute little tabs on the side so I know what section of my planner I'm in. So to do that, you're going to hit the 3 little dots over on the right hand side, and you'll hit copy page. Then once it's copied, you'll want to navigate to wherever you want to place this page in the planner. For this, I want to just place it right after this page, so I'm going to hit the 4 little dots. Over on the left hand side, it's going to automatically pull up whatever page I'm on, and I'm going to hit the little down arrow underneath, and then I'm going to click on add page after or before, whichever one you prefer, but here I'm going to do add page after, and then I'm going to do paste page, and that will put the page into my planner. I'm just going to delete it real quick so I don't forget. Alright, so that's how you can add pages and use your template pages. So the next thing I want to show you is how the stickers work. So the planner comes with a bunch of different stickers in 6 different colors that you can use to keep yourself organized and just make it a little bit fun, take your planning to kind of the next level. So to use them, it's just like how you use the templates. You'll want to have your lasso tool selected, and I'm going to pick this schedule sticker right here. You're just going to make a little circle anywhere that includes the sticker. It doesn't need to be perfect. You don't need to take the time to do this and perfectly outline the sticker. You can simply just draw any circle that includes that sticker. If you draw a circle, if you want to select both or 2 things or multiple things, you just need to make sure that a part of each sticker is inside that circle. So right here, if I copy this, by tapping inside the circle and hitting copy, when I go to the page I want to place it on, which I'm going to just go place it on January, you'll just use your lasso tool, tap and hold, and hit paste. See, it brought over both stickers. And then you can quickly resize them together as well using this little circle down in the corner. And then once you tap off, it will place them down. So that's how you bring your stickers over into a page. Now, if you want to modify the stickers, I'm going to show you a couple different tips. So you can use your lasso tool to reselect it, move it around. If you tap inside, you'll also get a few options like copy, delete. You can resize from here, or you can use this little picture tool here. This gives you a few more options. It will let you quickly resize. This also lets you kind of stretch the sticker. And then you can also crop the sticker from here. So say I wanted to crop out just the 2x area, you could, the rectangle version will let you kind of keep it squared off, and you can do like do it like that. But if I wanted to freehand, I can also do that inside of GoodNotes by switching to freehand. Then I can draw around the circle however I wanted, or around the sticker however I wanted. Hit done, and then I've cropped out that little section of the sticker. This tool also allows you to work with layers a little bit easier. So when you're working through your templates, but let me show you. So I'm going to delete these and we're going to jump back to that page we put the templates on. This tool comes in really handy. So let's say I've placed my stickers, and now if I use my lasso tool to reselect this sticker, it will actually move my background around, which I don't want. So you'll want to use the picture tool, and this will allow you to just move that individual sticker like that. The last tip I want to show you with stickers is in the lasso tool. So if you hit the lasso tool and then click it again, it will actually pull up these toggles. Here you can actually toggle on and off like handwriting, images, and text box, so you can really customize what you're selecting. This comes in really handy when you're layering things like inside your stickers. So say I have this to buy sticker already placed down and I wanted to add something like a text box. I'm going to put like Jessica's present, something like that. You can use the lasso tool. So now I want to use this. If I have the lasso tool on, it'll bring over the text as well as that background image. So I can actually go in and toggle off the images, and now I just move the text around. I can set it on top of this sticker, and then if I change my mind, I can move it around. And then if I want to move handwriting or just the image, this will move just the image around. So you can use that to kind of customize what you're selecting and help you work with the layers a little bit easier inside GoodNotes. So that is how stickers work. So that is it. That's everything I wanted to go over with you guys. I hope that this video tutorial was helpful and gave you an idea of everything that's included in the planner, how it works, and how to use it a little bit easier. As always, I'm happy to help. If you have questions or you need anything, please just reach out. And that's it. Thank you for watching.